Hey guys, Andrew King here from AndrewDoesReviews.com. Welcome to my Raiid review. In this video, I'm gonna give you a full demo and a walkthrough on how it works and what it does. I'm also going to show you what the pricing and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom-made juicy bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of Raiid. Now, in a nutshell, Raiid is a done for you website creator. So you're going to be able to create a done for you website self-hosted via the Raiid app, so you don't need to worry about hosting. And inside this done for you website, you're going to be able to automatically generate articles using keywords and embed affiliate links to those articles. So you go to your ClickBank account, you search for products to promote using a keyword, and once you search for these products, this software will automatically generate different articles related to the product, and your affiliate link is going to be embedded inside of those articles. So if you are interested, then stick with me during this review. I'm going to break down everything for you. If you would like to pick up Raiid anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page and click on one of these one of these purple buttons. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the sales page of Raiid where you can pick up your copy. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and I don't want you to miss out on these bonuses. These are custom made by me and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind, if you want access to Raiid plus all my exclusive bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly, you have to pick it up via my affiliate link. Now my first bonus is going to be access to my traffic courses, my paid traffic courses collection. You're going to get access to Google ads, YouTube ads, Gmail ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, Snapchat ads, any type of ads you can think about is included inside this bundle. This is usually selling for $297, but you're going to get access to this for 100% for free if you pick it up via my link. If you pick up Raiid via my link, you can get access to this as my first bonus. My second bonus is going to be access to reseller license bundle. Now, if you know Brandon Mays, let me just go to my affiliate offers dashboard and let me just type in here Brandon Mays. If you know Brandon Mays, he's one of the top affiliates and vendors on Warrior Plus. He made like more than $3 million through his journey, so he knows what he's doing when it comes to selling his products. You're going to be able to get access to reseller license to all his products. Let me just open up a few of them to show you that this is real. I already got access to 100% commission to most of his products. So basically, let me just open up a few of them. This one, this one, this one. So basically, if I open up Print Monkey and if I go to products, you will see that I make 100% commission throughout the funnel. This is really amazing for you guys who just starting out. Let me just show you another product. So set and forget, I get 100% commission throughout the funnel. And as you can see, these products have done pretty well. He has sold over 5,000 units. It has a 7% conversion rate and 8% refund rate. Not that bad. I mean, he's a multi-millionaire. What am I talking about? So you basically you're gonna get access to over 15 products, reseller license. You can sell these products as your own. This is basically priceless. All branded products are included and you're going to be able to sell them as your own and get 100% commission. Just send traffic to your affiliate link and basically bank 100% commission. And he does the support, he does everything, he delivers the product. You don't have to do anything, just make the sale and get the money. The bonus number 3 is going to be exclusive access to the done for you 1K per day system. Now I usually don't give out this in other launches because this cost us a kidney to create. This system cost us a kidney, literally a kidney to create, because this system is basically everything is done for you. You send traffic to our funnel, they opt in, we send them through an email follow-up series, and if they decided to purchase, you're gonna get access to $1,000 commission per day per customer. So if you make one sale per day, please excuse the noise in the background. If you make one sale per day, you're gonna be able to make $1,000 commission. That's 30K per month. This is amazing because all you have to do is make one sale and everything is done for you. You're gonna do everything for you. All you have to do is send traffic. Again, this bonus is made by me collaborating with Brendan Mace. Brendan Mace has gave me everything, all the tools and all the tricks that you need in order for you to make $1,000 per day. We also include a training teaching you how to promote this exact funnel. So basically all you have to do is send traffic to our funnel and we do all the work for you. You make $1,000 per sale. So if you make one sale per day, that's 1K per day. That's why we called it the done for you 1K per day system. The bonus number 4 is going to be access to my mega bonus bundle. Now you're gonna get access to all these awesome bonuses. Again, it's with collaboration with Brandon May, so he has gave me the authorization to give out these bonuses. We usually don't give out these bonuses on normal launches, but since I want to over deliver in this bonus bundle that I'm offering alongside your Raiid purchase, you're gonna get access to all these extra bonuses. This is my mega bonus bundle. $1,000 commission digital coaching program. This usually costs $2,000. You used to sell this for $2,000. You're gonna get access to this for free. Buyerzilla Pro, license rights to everything. Again, this is mentioned before in my previous bonus. Done for you campaigns part 1, part 2. We have passive income with Neil, high ticket training. This is selling for $997. You're gonna get access to this for free. Pinterest marketing software, Instagram Wizard, Facebook Ninja, my passive income sources. We have a couple of softwares here, Cartel Pro and Goodwill Pro. We have Twitter Tornado, Post Viper, 60 done for you bonuses, and a bunch of other cool bonuses. Again, these are my mega bonus bundle. You're gonna get access to this as my 4th bonus. My 5th bonus is going to be access to all the vendors bonuses. Now, I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all my amazing bonus bundle delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick up Raiid. Now, let me just show you on how to claim these bonuses. It's really simple. Once you pick it up via my bonuses page, again, these are exclusive to me and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So if you want to pick them up, just click on the first link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page and click on one of these buttons. Then you'll be taken to the sales page, and once you pick up Raiid, just go to your Warrior Plus dashboard, hover over your username, click on purchase history. Once you do that, what you want to do is find your purchase receipt for Raiid. Once you do that, let me just zoom in. You're gonna find your purchase receipt. Just scroll down and click on access affiliate bonuses. Once you click that, you'll be able to access all my bonuses free of charge and instantly delivered to you once you pick up Raiid. Again, now, like I said, these are exclusive to me. Feel free to check out what other affiliates are offering in terms of bonuses. Once you realize that my bonuses are the best and most useful, come back to this video and you can pick up Raiid via my bonus page. Now let's go to the sales page and take a quick peek. Want to make passive affiliate commissions 24/7 365 without any grunt work? Raiid CBA software automates ClickBank affiliate commission system in any niche without experience and without any additional costs. Making passive affiliate commissions has never been easier. Just enter a keyword to activate CB system, working since 2011. We have some bullet points right here. We have some payment proof and blah blah. I hate to take a look at sales pages, but like I said, free traffic is not included, guys. Don't be fooled, because they do not include any type of free traffic. They allow you to share these done for you posts onto your social media, but I don't how shall I put this? I don't think that this is free traffic, because basically you are sharing this to your own social media. You're not gonna get any type of traffic if you have like family members added onto your Facebook account, and once you share it on your profile wall, you're not gonna get any type of traffic, let's be honest. But I got you covered in my bonuses, because in my first bonus I'm gonna show you on how to get a paid how to drive paid traffic alongside your I'm sorry, how to drive paid traffic to these posts and hopefully make a lot of sales. So I got you covered in my bonuses. Don't worry about the traffic portion, because you're gonna learn all the paid traffic methods out there in order for you to start driving traffic and earning some real commissions. Now let's jump right into the members area. For some reason, when I try to create a website, it tells me that you have up to 8 subdomains with your access. So basically all the other affiliates have used this access to create websites. If you would like to check out how this works, please go and check out the demo video inside my bonus page. I have included it. It's not that long, it's like 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Just watch it and learn how Raiid works. Let me just show you one of the articles created using Raiid. So this is one of the done for you websites using Raiid. Let me just scroll down. As you can see, there are tons of articles. These are automatically generated using the Raiid software, and if we click on one of these articles, you'll see that these are done for you articles, and we have a banner right here included. So once people come here, they're gonna click on register, and they're gonna register for the live event or something. Basically this link is promoting the ClickBank offer. So once people come here, they're gonna click on register, they're gonna go through your affiliate link and hopefully purchase. This is really simple. Let me just show you how this works in a nutshell, because like I said, I can create a new website. So you first type in the keyword, so weight loss, let me just add a T. So this is the product research, and it will show you all the products with different statistics on ClickBank. So basically what you can do, you can select the product depending on what you want to promote. Now remember, ClickBank automatically gives your affiliate link, so you don't need any type of approval. Just click on promote and you'll be able to promote the product. This is really amazing. Then you're gonna go to the second phase, which is gonna be the post research. Again, you're gonna type in a keyword and select one of the done for you posts. This will be automatically generated using the Raiid app. Once you do that, you're gonna go to the third module, which is the publish module. You're gonna be able to publish this to your website. This is really cool. As you can see, it's hosted on their own domain, so you don't need to worry about the hosting or the domain. You can add your own custom domain. I don't know if they allow you to do that in the front end version, because the front end version is somehow limited. You don't get to add a lot of posts. You don't get to add a lot of subdomains. So basically, let me just show you the pricing in upsells. Everything I just showed you inside the members area, you're gonna get for $16.93. Now this is a dime sale, so the price is gonna go up from each and every sale. So make sure to get in as soon as you see this video in order for you to secure the best price possible. The upsell number one, let me just talk to you about the front end quota. So you're gonna get one subdomain, one domain. You get to promote up to 10 products per month and 5 platform syndication. Like I said, you're gonna be able to syndicate your content to different social media platforms. They call this free traffic. I call it, it's not free traffic. It's basically nothing. You can grab the link and share it to your social media and it won't make a difference. So you still have to drive traffic on your own, but I got you covered in my first bonus. Like I said, you're going to be able to get paid traffic courses to learn how to drive traffic using paid advertising. Upsell number one is going to be Raiid Smash and Grab for $67. This is recommended if you want more quota. They don't have a down sale, unfortunately, but the bright side is you get 3 subdomains, 3 domains, unlimited products per month, and you can syndicate to over 12 high traffic platforms. Again, the syndication part makes no difference. The important parts are you get to promote unlimited products, and you get 3 domains and 3 subdomains, which is really great. Again, this is gonna cost you $67. So if you have the extra $70, just go for it if you want more quota. The upsell number 2 is going to be the Raiid Smash and Grab for $37. This is highly recommended for automation. You can set keywords enabling the Raiid system to check for related posts and content according to set schedule, and then create with users embedded affiliate links. So you're going to get done for you automation system where it basically goes and grabs articles for different keywords. Now these articles are related to these keywords, and then you can schedule these posts embedded with your affiliate link. This is really cool for $37. I highly recommend you pick this up if you want to automate the whole process. The upsell number 3 is going to be the Raiid Smash and Grab pixel added to sales page for $97. This is highly recommended for high traffic or high quality traffic. So you're going to be able to add your own affiliate link to their swarm sales pages, enabling you to build a large targeted audience. If you are in the make money online niche, this is a no-brainer for $97, because you're gonna get buyer traffic onto your pixel, and you can retarget that traffic wherever you want. You can send them to opt-in page, and you basically have buyers on your list for $97. If you go and try to spend that money on ads, you'll never get buyer leads, or you'll never get anywhere close to the amount of traffic that you're gonna get via adding your pixel to their sales page. So I highly recommend you go for the upsell number 3. Upsell number 4 is $67. This is the reseller package. It's the Raiid agency. I don't recommend you to pick this up because I know that you're gonna get 100% commission throughout the funnel, but remember, I got you covered with my second bonus. I'm gonna give you reseller license bundle. You're gonna be able to sell all Brandon's successful products, over 15 products, and you get 100% commission throughout the funnel. This is just if you purchase the front end, so you don't need to purchase the upsell number 4. I do not recommend you to do that for $67. I think it's not worth it. Upsell number 5 is going to be Raiid 1 week version 2 for $127. You're going to get tutorials done for you, products. You're going to get 6 products which are done for you. All the user needs to do is fill out the blanks, generate and give away high quality pre-configured products. Each product becomes unique to the user. Fill out the blanks. User benefits from an inbuilt promotion structure. I don't know what this is, but basically it's cost $127. So I'm gonna say pass this one. So pass the upsell number 4 and pass the upsell number 5. They are not worth your money. For the other upsells, like I said, what I recommend you do is obviously pick up the front end, pick up the first upsell if you need more quota, pick up the second upsell if you want to automate the process, and I highly recommend you pick up the upsell number 3 for $97. I know I'm an affiliate, so I'm gonna make half that commission, which is like $47, but this is not why I'm telling you to pick up the upsell number 3, because I know once you get your pixel onto their sales page, you're going to be able to drive all that traffic wherever you want. So for $97, if you promote another offer or the correct offer to all that audience inside your pixel, I can almost guarantee you that you can make that money back within an hour if you drive that traffic to the best offer possible. If it's a high converting offer, I can promise you that you can make this money ASAP. So definitely go for the upsell number 3, skip the upsell number 4 and 5. They are not worth your money. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.